unboxing of the Tamiya 14th scale RC Semi. It's the King Hauler, the Black Edition. So let's get, this thing is in a huge box. Oops, there we go. So let's see what we got. Yeah, that noise you're hearing is I'm being texted. There's all the chrome pieces. More chrome. Here's the blood. Alright, enough of the body. Some more pieces. And more. There's the windshield and all the glass. More chrome. Some kind of spring thing. Don't know what it's for yet. Package of screws. Looks like the frames. Yep, frames coming out of the box. I didn't start getting text till I started doing the video. Here's a box with the tires. And let's see what else is there. Must be the rims. Well, looks like I need to put a new blade in my knife. It's not very sharp anymore. All the metal parts, you got mount motors, more screws, gears, the whole setup. Red lock. There's tons of stuff for the gears. It's 3-speed transmission, so it's going to be kind of rough putting it together. That's all that's in this one. When I do the build video, which will be coming up, you'll get to see more, the rest of it all put together, you know, spread out on the table. Here's the motor and some other accessories. Looks like springs and maybe shock pieces, I'm not sure. Body mounts or something. Exhaust covers, gear shafts, damper cylinders, and 22 pinion gear. Well, just 22 gear, 10 tooth pinion gear. Okay, whatever. Bunch of gears. And inside of this box, tail lights and stuff, covers. Looks like part of the rear end. Not sure, maybe servo savers, I don't know yet. More gears! Woohoo! Seat, steering wheel. All the rims are in here. Sure, you don't need to see every one of them. But I don't need to show all this stuff either, but I am. Just because. This is the part for the trailer hookup. Okay, that's pretty much it other than the instructions. And some stickers. Let me get those out so you can check them out. Here's the instruction book. Not very thick, so hopefully but we'll see if it'll cover everything. If not, I'll wing it. There's the sticker book. Not real exciting, but it's there. I have my own stickers too, so hopefully get it all decked out. Gonna paint that body too. Probably leave it base black and go from there. Maybe add some other colors, just because. Well, that's about it, guys and gals. So I'll be starting my build pretty soon, hopefully this week. When I do, yeah, I'll take pictures of it. I'm not going to do a video. I think that would be too boring. But if anything's really hard, I'll go ahead and video it, and hopefully it'll help. Alright, we'll catch y'all later.